I'm the king of the rumba beat. When I play the maracas, I go chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom. Yes, sir, I'm Cuban Pete. I'm the craze of my naked street. When I start to dance, everything goes chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom. The senoritas, they sing and they swing with their romero. It's very nice, so full of spice. And when they're dancing, they bring a happy ring to that kettle, singing a song all the day long. So, if you like the beat, take a lesson from Cuban Pete, and that teach you to chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom. Senorita, I know that you would like a chicky boom chick. It's very nice, so full of spice. Can I place my hand on your hip, and if you will just give me your hand, that we shall try, just you and I.
Hey! Fat, shut up and help me down, all right?
And I need you to chick, chicky boom, chick, chicky boom, chick, chicky boom.
What's the matter with you?
You start dancing, I'll blow your brains out.
Give me that thing!
Wow, see ya!